You are going to love the 2017 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.